Why, hello there. Yes, so unfortunately I totally forgot I didn't record an intro for this video. So Christine and I are going to try out this face mask we made. It's a sea moss face mask. It's called Matcha Moss. It's fantastic and you'll enjoy it. So watch this video. We're being cute, doing the cute thing we like to do, which is be cute. There's a little bit of King Kai in there. I don't think there's any Boss Mick, but you're going to enjoy yourselves. Okay? So watch this video. Thank you so much and bye. Okay, you all know Christine. She's, awesome and whatnot. She's currently cutting pizza. It is a pizza bite things. And she also doesn't have pants on, so we'll be keeping this above the waist. But she's gonna be preparing the face mask. Is that right, Christine? What do you mean, And saw your butt. We have King Kai with us. He's not really for it right now. I don't know if he's like for or against video work, but as of right now, he's not feeling us. So just keep that in mind if you hear a fussy emperor. Isn't that right? Imperial Lord King Kai. All right, back to this.
Okay, so I'm gonna make the Macha Moss. Okay, so I'm gonna make the Macha Moss face mask, and instead of water, we're going to use green tea. I don't really remember what the point of it is. I just know it's better for you. Mike can pause the video and add some information in. So we boiled 3 bags of green tea and let it cool down, and we're gonna use that to, I guess I'm gonna call it activate the face mask. Alright, so I'm gonna make enough for both me and Mike. That's 1.5 pieces. And the face mask is ready.
Hey, what's up, y'all? So if you can do me a solid favor, just like hit that subscribe button, I totally appreciate it. It really helps, grow the channel, and hit the little bell notification so you know when we get all the cool, cool stuff. That one, hit that one. Hit the one that says all. Hit that one. Okay? The one that says all. That's the one you want to hit. All. La, 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 la. Thank you. All right, so we got the moss, we got the Macha Moss diggity here, and we got all this beautiful face. So let's get to work. Simba. So one thing you got to make sure when you have like a lot of forehead like this, you got to make sure you adequately cover it. It's the most important. But can you lean down just a little bit? It's a glare. There we go. Chris still got a glare. Just come on. There we go. So as you see here, this is more like a 5. So this would be a 4 right here. And then as you see, we're at a 5 and like a quarter. So we're at a 5 and a quarter head right there. But
hey, can you pass me my drink?
No, you're gonna throw it in my face.
No, I just need a drink.
Really?
Just a little stressed.
All right, we'll get these eyebrows too, because they haven't been done in a while. So just want to take care of all of this, really. Let me get you a drink. So keep in mind, Christina's breastfeeding and she's drinking wine, so you should report her on the internet.
It's apple cider.
Apple cider alcoholic. All right, so I've used majority of this on the forehead.
I need real wine.
All right, can you lean back a little bit? There's a lot of face here. Keep working that posture. Less slouch. I understand your head's heavy. But yeah. We'll get these lips here too. As you can see here, they're dry. Ooh. Ooh, almost got that on camera. Almost. Alright, you turn your, there we go. So when applying the face mask, you want it to be nice and even. What's it smell like, Khrys?
I don't smell anything right now.
Your little mustache there. Covers up her real one.
Hey, can you pause the video real quick?
Nope. That's the only evidence I got. Alright. Oh, also, I don't know if I told you, but you were gifted a Yanni steam.
Nice.
You ever steamed your Yanni?
It's information for me.
It's not like public information?
No.
You can't share?
No.
Because your Yanni's steamy. Alright, so Boss Mick just kind of woke up. I think he heard about the forehead and the vastness of it. I don't think Boss won't have that much forehead, but I think Kai might have a little bit more forehead than necessary. There we go. So you want to make sure you apply it thick on the upper lip region. It's mainly where the mustache grows, so you want to make sure that area is nice and well maintained. Alright. And still get the eyebrows here. Keep turning your head towards me, please, dear. Keep going. You know it's a lot of circumference. I gotta get these cheeks. Come on. Alright, so Christy has a very nice and defined jawline. So you're gonna make sure you get all that. It's like a Model S jawline, honestly. Alright, then one of the key things you want to get are the chins. You want to make sure you get all the chins. So you can just that. So right here, that, you know, I'm working on one chin at the moment. And I'm just gonna get the other ones real quick. There's a lot of chin here. It's a vast amount of chin.
Almost got you.
Almost got me. Caught me slipping. Ooh. All right, let me call it love sausage. There we go. All right. And back to the forehead again. Obvious reasons. It's just so much there.
Oh, it's flinching.
I'm flinching, yeah. One headbutt, I'm done.
Oh, wait for this camera to go off.
It's not going off. I'm getting above the eyelids to try to hinder her vision. I don't want her fighting me. And yes, okay, so we're going to keep the camera on now, and we're just going to transition over towards me for safety reasons. You know, I'm going to just actually extend it out a little wider. That way everybody can see.
What's wrong?
All right, let's see. Back this thing up. There we go. Okay. Love it. Here you go.
All right, come on closer.
No,
Just come on closer. I can't reach you. How do I reach?
All right, folks. If you don't hear from me again, you know why. My wife is crazy.
Because you deserve it? Oh, sorry.
Because what?
Oh, because you deserve it.
Probably. I deserve a lot of things. Undying love and affection is one of them.
Shut up. Oops, that was close to your eye.
A little bit. You know, sea moss and eye is probably really good, though.
I can't see the other face, half of your face. No, seriously, I can't see that side.
Make sure I zoom in on that. It's super abusive.
So happy. Love this. And you. So great.
Oh my gosh. my pizza.
Okay, you're done.
Mm-hmm.
Had a problem seeing it.
Yeah. My depth perception's on. Look what you did to me, people. All right. I'm not sure how this looks on my face. I feel like it's terrible, but look.
It actually looks like
Kinda
one of my
globby.
artwork. This looks like my artwork.
Yeah. If I can find any of Christine's artwork, I'm gonna show you all.
Great. Don't give it up for free now.
I was born for the streets. I'm for the streets. For the streets. Christine married the streets. All right, we're gonna let this dry. And can you smell it now? What's it smell like?
Moss.
It does smell like sea moss. Good job. All right. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna wash our faces off, but we're gonna use some soap from Mocha Paradise. So, Christine, you got first dibs. I definitely recommend the big bar since you got big face.
Ooh, gold mine. This looks funny.
Nice.
Like black and pink. Oh, I didn't see that much.
What are you talking like that?
Ocean. Okay.
Hey, Chris, can you recite the alphabet real quick?
I'm busy.
Come on, recite the alphabet.
I'm busy.
Chris, do it. Let the
Okay, I think I am gonna go with this one. Look at like little gold pieces in it. It's super pretty.
Chris, recite the alphabet real quick.
Let's see what's in this. Oh, the thing was.
This is the one. So they also sent a beard oil, and I had the package, and I had like 10 in my hand, and I dropped one of them or two of them. This is one that I dropped, and inside of it was a glass beard oil that smelled like chocolate, and I dropped it.
That explains why the ingredients are worn off.
Yeah, it worn off. It smelled amazing, and I was so sad. So.
It smells good.
Or did that smell good? It was like a chocolate. It was literally like a chocolate smell. You can actually kind of smell on the wrapper here. Chris has been all over me. Alright, so we're going to wash these off. I'm going to use, the, which one is this? Ocean Views. I like that one. I like the way that sounds. I'm going to go with Ocean Views. And Chris is going, which one are you going?
Gold mine.
Gold mine?
Mm-hmm.
All right, dope. So we're going to wash our faces and we'll get back to you in a second. Oh, also real quick, how does your face feel?
If you can feel it tightening.
Is it dry like your personality?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me get a close up of your forehead. Do I have enough lens for that? Yeah, let me just come in a little bit closer. So you don't see. Chris, you think your forehead forward? It's a lot to get in frame.
Just looking for a tool.
I have a tool. It's a little closer. I'm trying to see the cracks in your forehead. It's like the Mojave does it. Mojave does it. There we go. Forehead cracks. Ooh. All right, Chris, you may go bathe, please, and thank you. What's wrong? What's wrong, Christine? You need it. All right, just a close up real quick of my face, my fizzle. Okay, Chris, it's very long overdue. What do you think of the matcha tea? What do you think of the Macha Moss? Would you stop? What do you think of the matcha? What do you think of the Macha Moss face mask? Okay, what do you think of the soap that we got that you tried out? Like the one with the gold in it? The gold, okay. Okay. Why do you do this to me?
I don't know.
Is it out of love?
It's out of something.
It's side or something. Okay.